the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes.
Daddy.
What happened, love?
Dad.
So I can't play the TV. Paw Patrol will give me copyright. Yes, so guys, our TV unit is coming up. It's not fully done because the screw that was supposed to use to like screw this together, it didn't come with it, so I'll have to go get some from the shop. So this is what it looked like. I didn't use the leg because I don't like how the feet look like. I just want it to be on the floor. So that's the thing that I want. So we're fixing our Sundays to give the TV that nice sound.
I just wonder. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
Hey loves, good afternoon. Welcome back to a new vlog. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to a beautiful Sunday in our life. So guys, today is Sunday. I didn't put up any vlog today. Today is Sunday the 9th of July. Yep. So all through the week have been a busy one for me. I'm back on placement again. It's never ending. Yeah. So today is Sunday. I did my night shift as usual, and I was like, okay, let me use the opportunity to vlog for today so I can put it up for next week Sunday. Probably, I hope the video is up for the Sunday, which is going to be, if today is 9, so it's going to be the next Sunday after the 9th of July. Yeah. So we're done fixing the TV unit. I did know that I record just a little bit because at that point I haven't had my shower, and I was like, today I'm not coming out on the vlog without taking a good shower, putting my hair on a sleek mode. Yeah. So we've done with the TV unit. We finally fixed our home theater. Is it home theater, or I don't know, like the sound bar for the TV, and like the music have been giving me life today. Yeah, so guys, that's it. Right now I just want to quickly make some rice. I've got some stew that I prepped like I think 2 weeks ago or something like that, so I just want to parboil some rice because Mr. K is expecting a visitor, so I just want to parboil rice for them and also make suya. So I got this steak from Adi, which I'm going to be using to make suya. I just quickly run down to a friend's house to get some suya spice, homemade suya spice. Yeah, so I got this from Adi. I couldn't go to Mustin, which is the usual place that I can get like meat to make my suya, because today is Sunday and I didn't want to like spend my time driving all the way down there, wasting my gas, wasting my time. So I just pick up this 900 gram rump steak, which I'm going to be using to make my suya. So guys, let me show you the little stuff that I got before we start doing our stuff. So guys, I got my flour for my kitchen for some weeks now. My kitchen have been having just artificial flour and I love the live one, so I got one, and I also got a pink one, which I'm going to be mixing them together to pair it up to make a very nice color. Yeah, so I got my egg and I got this diffuser. This one was really nice, the last one I got, but I said let me just get this one so I will try it to see how nice it smells. Yeah, and some other few stuff. So guys, let's start cooking.
So you kissed a girl just 'cause you wanted to. Not thinking about what you made it do. She started doing her hair and makeup, oh, just for you. Only because you kissed a girl when you wanted to. You think you're young and smart, got no responsibility in this world. But if you're young and smart, you should know better. Don't get laid back 'cause you're not that cool. Don't think you're safe and sound walking around breaking rules. I'll bet your parents are worried sick. That's not as cool as you think, not as cool as you think, yeah.
The meat is not bad for this amount. We're missing a teacher in a 5 pound. I have to make the girl check out. Say 9.99. Oh, my only can beg. Chicken.
Just 'cause you want to.
Want to stop again?
She started where I've been is half past 2. Only because you came home when you wanted to. You think you're young and smart, got no responsibility in this world. But if you're young and smart, you should know better. Don't get laid back 'cause you're not that cool. Don't think
So,
you're safe
what
and
happened?
sound walking around breaking rules. I'll bet your parents are worried sick. That's not as cool as you think, not as cool as you think, yeah.
as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If
You
I
okay,
could
Michelle?
stop the time, don't you know that I would?
What do you want to do?
Just
We're gonna eat.
Yeah. Let me see your teeth. Let me see it. Let me see your teeth. So guys, thank you very much for spending the day with us. The vlog have come to an end. It's currently 10:40 and the kids, they are off to bed. So I'm just going now to clean my kitchen, get ready to go to bed. Tomorrow is another day, a new week tomorrow, and I'm on placement also, so I need to go to bed so I can wake up early fresh to go on my placement by 7 a.m. See you guys on my next vlog. Do have a lovely day, have a beautiful day, and please don't forget to give this vlog a big thumbs up, subscribe if you've not already done so, and see you again. Bye.